How to get Adobe Firefly. Firefly is a design tool infused with artificial intelligence capabilities, enabling users to craft personalized visualizations and graphics with machine-generated design components. Leveraging generative AI algorithms, it provides design suggestions and layout options based on user preferences, capable of producing diverse visual styles and patterns. Adobe Firefly features can be accessed for free using the beta access. All you need is an Adobe ID, which is also free. Open your browser and go to firefly.adobe.com. These are the features that are available on Firefly currently. To use them, you need to sign up first or sign in using the Sign In button located on the top right corner of the window. Now you can start exploring Firefly. One of my favorites is the text-to-image feature. You just describe the image you wanted to generate for you in this text box, and it will come back with multiple results. Go ahead and explore and let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.